The Armor Si from General Hydroponics, good for soil, hydroponics, coco coir, and what are a few things that we should know about this? Can you use it as a foliar spray? What's actually inside of it? Well, as you can see here, it is derived from potassium silicate, so you're getting silica and potassium. Sometimes without silica, you can get plants that basically they have these variegations and then they start to die back over time. But if you give them silica, it actually strengthens those cell walls on the plants, so you're less likely to get any sort of brown tips that are dying back. And then also it's going to give you thicker stems and also more produce if you're doing something that's going to have fruit or flowers. It's a 004 guaranteed analysis, and it does have soluble potash of 4%. So the silica not only strengthens plants and helps them with stresses like drought resistance, heat and cold stress tolerance, but it's also going to help with your pests that you may see from time to time. It's actually going to repel them and deter them because it's going to be harder for them to get to the nutrients inside of these plants and flowers, and they're actually not going to be able to establish a colony as easily if your plants have Armor Silica or some sort of silica. And then also the potassium gives it good stuff because you're able to actually improve the plant growth, including the structure and foliar growth, which is going to give you more yield, give you more flowers, give you more fruits. So you can definitely just follow the instructions on the back here, but you can see that they give you options from mild strength to maximum strength, and even how to make a foliar spray for the leaves, which you can do. Just be aware that this is actually going to raise your pH whenever you add it to water, and you don't want your nutrient pH to rise higher than 6.5. It does work with soil, coco coir, and hydroponics, as you can see here. And overall, if used properly, from what I've seen, this is one of the best silica and potassium supplements for your plants that's actually going to help you get more out of your plants, help them be happier, help them thrive, help them be stronger. And whether you're doing indoor plants like this Monstera here, whether you're doing vegetables outside or flowers, this is a great choice for anyone gardening and wanting stronger plants. Hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Hope this helps you make a more informed decision for yourself.